What if you could start your day feeling more refreshed and energized with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Reach your left hand across your body, placing it to your right shoulder. When you're ready, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release, and let's go ahead and loosen up with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair, and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, creating more space and ease through your spine and side body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations, increasing circulation and joint mobility through your lower leg, stretching through your calf muscle, ankle, and foot. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Begin to extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, making it as big or small as comfortable. Increasing circulation through your lower body, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles while creating more mobility in your joints. Pause with your right leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side, beginning with ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Pausing, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Begin to gently extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue moving at your own pace, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and set your left foot to the earth. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet, moving into a forward bend variation. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine, and on your exhale, gently fold forward from your hip creases, sweeping your arms towards the earth. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged and your legs active with your knees over your ankles, pressing your thighs open, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing and upright, inhale, sweep your arms overhead, and on your exhale, make a light fist and gently circle down, bending at your wrists. Continue flowing at your own pace, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, waking up the energy through your arms, wrists, and hands. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into a gentle side body stretch. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh. Repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing at your own pace, creating more space and ease through your arms, shoulders, spine, and side body. Pausing and upright, moving into another lateral stretch variation. Begin to alternate reaching one arm up and overhead, with your other arm reaching down and across your body in the opposite direction. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue with this energizing movement, wrapping it around your breath, moving through your own range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, waking up the energy of your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. When you're ready, cross your right leg over your left. Optional to gently press your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, deepening this twist. Unwind and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, and your left hand behind you for support. When you're ready, cross your left leg over your right. Optional to gently press your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your right side body in coming around to the left, deepening this twist. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling more energized, refreshed, and ready for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.